Yeah. Wait, how the fuck does that melody go again? Na 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 na. That's it. When I popped off, stun on you lanes, and I've been living like a rock star. Really a shame when y'all be flexing with a drop top. Got him a chain while I've been grinding for the top spot. Changing the game, I've been rolling with my ride or dies. Know they twisting up that la la la, la la la. Blowing up, you know it's time to shine, time to shine. And we don't gotta sign no dotted line, dotted line. Finally winning, so give me my credit. Running through lines, I feel like I'm Bettis. Live in the lab, I'm a hell of a chemist. I'm feeding for beats, I developed a fetish. I got my adversaries in the scope. Know that boy Jackavelli do the most. Used to be tripping, but now that I'm winning, I just want a glass of Henny, let me toast. Mind elevated, I feel like I'm Buddha. Just take a look at the way I maneuver. Said they gon' make it, but I made it sooner. So get on your knees and bow down to your ruler. Yeah, I be the one they follow. Feel like I hit the lotto. Young Don, better call me Pablo. Better yet, breaking bag Gustavo. Los hermanos, yeah, they know the motto. I've been sipping liquor out of broken bottles. Talking about me till I go soprano. Got their voice shaking, but they know vibrato. Stand back, y'all dealing with a psycho. Ex-girl, high strong like a tightrope. Hit it from the back that the bitch need Geico. Y'all ain't get it what I said like typos. When I popped off, stun on you lanes, and I've been living like a rock star. Really a shame when y'all be flexing with a drop top. Got him a chain while I've been grinding for the top spot. Changing the game, I've been rolling with my ride or dies. Know they twisting up that la la la, la la la. Blowing up, you know it's time to shine, time to shine. And we don't gotta sign no dotted line, dotted line.
Maniac! Request backup. Killing spree!
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different and you really forget. You think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it though. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make a scene. Cause that's what I wanna fucking do. All these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions. They blocking your vision, but no, you can't listen. That shit is all fiction, cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming. There's no way that you make it. And maybe you could fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Aren't you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Fight back. You ain't never ever gonna break it. You can never beat them and they're better than you face it. Thinking that they give a damn, you're not thinking straight, kid. No, they don't give a damn, you got what I'm saying. I'm not fucking playing, I'll give it to you straight, man. There's too many others and you're not that great, man. Stop what you're saying, stop what you're making. Everybody here knows that you just fake. Nah, I don't wanna hear it anymore. I don't wanna hear it anymore. All these fucking thoughts, they are not what I need anymore. I'm about to shut the motherfucking door on all you poor ass haters with your heads in the clouds. Talking out loud so proud, you better shut your goddamn mouth before two more sneak out. It's about to head south. Never gonna make it. Maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it.
Mega kill!
Aren't you just gonna take
Double
it?
kill! Maniac!
Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that.
You have slain an enemy! Shut down!